One of the most important parts, but always forgotten, is the base of any machine. Now, when you build a house, the most important thing is to have a stable foundation. And for machine tools as well, having a really stable foundation is paramount to having a stable production tooling machine. These bases are made of polymer concrete called Anchorcrete, and they form the stability foundation base of all Anchor machines. Customers often ask us what the benefits of polymer concrete are. The first one is that polymer concrete by its very nature has a high thermal mass. So our bases are really good at absorbing a lot of heat. And that means that throughout the production processes, their growth and contraction is very, very well controlled, and it takes a long time, which means that the process is very, very stable. The second main part of polymer concrete is that when we designed the mix over 20 years ago, we made it so the mix itself mimics very, very closely the expansion thermal coefficients of cast iron, which means as our machines heat up and cool down, we are able to control the expansion and contraction of the machine. And this is very important for us so we can control our production processes and make sure that the machine aligns to how we want it to react. So between the huge amount of thermal mass, the very closely linked thermal expansion coefficient to cast iron, and also the vibration absorbing characteristics, it makes a very, very stable base for all of our machines.